Assalamu alaikum, dear students. My name is Muhammad Ramzan, and the expertise of mine are relevant to English discipline. It's our day 4 of our rapid English mastery course. Rapid English mastery course. In this video, in this day, we are going to discuss a very fundamental aspects of spoken English. Yes, we are going to discuss that thing that is so much important in making us fluent speaker, in making us very effective speaker. Yes, and the thing that I am going to talk right now, it's a listening. Yes, first of all we will discuss how listening play a very vital role in making us fluent and effective speaker, and then I will give you some kinds of the tactics that will be really helpful in making you effective speaker. So let's take the start of the video. First, we will talk about the importance of listening. What is the importance of listening? Basically, when we listen stuff that is relevant to our field, it gives a massive kind of the vocabulary, pronunciations, and comprehension skills. All kinds of these things are packed in this single skill. So we have to discuss that thing, that how much the important is listening. When we listen more and more, when we listen more and more, this is directly proportional to our effective speaking and fluency. Yes, we listen more and more, we will become more fluent in the relevant field, in the target language. Yes, if we want to be a fluent speaker in English, then we have to listen more and more. It will increase our vocabulary. It will also help us in making the correction of our pronunciation, and it will also helps in boosting our comprehension skills. So that is a core skill, core aspect of if we want to be a fluent speaker in English. Now we will talk about what type of the strategy, how we can build, how we can adopt this active listening skills, how we can cultivate this active listening skill. Yes, if we wanted to develop our active listening skills, first that is the main and a very vital role, play a very vital role in making us, in cultivating this thing, that is distraction. We have to remove ourselves, we have to keep ourselves away from the all kinds of the distractions. For example, when we try to start listening something, then the process, then we also involve ourselves in the different tasks. The purpose of our listening becomes less accurate and becomes less beneficial for all of us when we completely focused on what the speaker says. That this strategy will help us to understand the sound, understand the pitch, intonation of the speaker. Second thing that is also very important, we have to focus on the speaker. Yes, when the speaker is talking, when the speaker is speaking some sort of the discipline, some sort of the content, we have to focus on the speaker. If we focused on a speaker completely, this process will help us in building our vocabulary, in building our comprehension skills, and in making us fluent. If we adopt these kinds of the strategy, I give you a surety that you will become a fluent speaker and effective communication. You will adopt an effective communications within a concise 10 days rapid English mastery course. So these two strategies we also need to adopt. One, we also needs to take away ourselves from the distraction, and second thing, we have to focus on the speaker, what the speaker says. We need to realize all kinds, we need to know all kinds of the tactics that the speaker is using in his conversation. So improve your listening, and you will see that if you want to be a fluent speaker, if you increase your listening, you will change, you will see a thrilled effect in your communication, in your fluency. That is the today's class of our rapid English mastery course, and I am giving you a very emphasizing effect on that strategy Please, if you wanted to be a fluent speaker, you have to listen more and more. Thank you so much for your listening. Stay tuned. Inshallah, we will meet in another video. Thank you so much for your listening, and please share this video with your fellows, with your relatives, if they wanted to improve such kinds of the improvement in such field. Thank you so much.